Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And yes, it's cleaning time. I'm in the guest bathroom, and if you don't know, this is my husband's bathroom. He has claimed it as his. So I need to clean up in here, clean the shower, the tub. I'm going to do some cleaning in here, and I'm going to be using Method products. The only product that is not Method that I'm using will be this Clorox. So all the products that I'll be using, I will put a picture up on the screen and list them down below. So here we go. Okay, floor's mopped, sink area's clean, toilet's clean, tub has been cleaned. Let me flush this toilet so the cleaner can go down. All I have to do now is wait for the floor to dry and put the carpets back in. So, when I put the carpets back in, I'll show you guys that. Be back, waiting for the floors to dry. Okay, the carpets are down, floor is dry, everything is back in its spot. The bathroom is clean and ready for guests. But soon you'll be seeing a redo of this bathroom because I'm thinking about changing the colors in here. So guys, you know what to do. If you like my content, like, comment, and share. And also guys, subscribe to my channel. Click that button down below. And next to it you see a bell. Click on that bell. Click it twice. That bell is a notification bell. And that bell will let you know every time I upload a video. Guys, also follow me on my social media accounts. They are listed below on the screen and as well in the description down below. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys, be blessed.